Question number 239 from iRodov, and the question is given that calculate the moment of inertia of a copper uniform disc relative to the symmetry axis perpendicular to the plane of the disc if its thickness is equal to b equal to 2 mm and its radius is r equal to 100 mm. So for solving this question, let's draw a diagram first. So this is a diagram. This is the disc, and which is particular thickness, and this is the radius of the disc is r, and later this is the z-axis. This is z-axis which is passing through the center of mass of the disc. If this is passing through the center of mass of the disc, so let take a small element of thickness dx, and the total width of the total thickness of the disc is b. Now the moment of inertia of this small segment will be equal to d I z will be equal to dm into r square divided by 2, because this is a cylinder, this is a disc type element. As we know, the moment of inertia for a disc is I equal to m r square divided by 2. So moment of inertia for this small disc segment will be dz equal to dm r square by 2, where dm is the mass of this small segment is dm. So our dm will become equal to, our dm will be volume into density. So our volume is equal to s into dx, where s is the area of cross section and x equal to thickness into rho. So this is our dm. Now we have to substitute this value of dm in this equation. So our diz will become equal to, or diz will be s dx rho into r square divided by 2. If we want to get the total moment of inertia, then we have to integrate this equation. So before that, we are arranging this equation as s r square rho divided by 2 into dx. So total moment of inertia of the disc will be equal to integration of diz, which will be equal to s r square rho divided by 2 integration of dx. Now this dx varies from 0 to b, because b is the total thickness of the disc. So our total moment of inertia will become s r square rho divided by 2 into b. Now as we know, the surface area will be s equal to pi r square. So we have to substitute the value of s in this equation. After substituting, we will get the total moment of inertia will be s r square divided by 2 into b multiplied by pi r square, which will again become I equal to pi divided by 2 into not s here, equal to pi divided by 2 r to the power 4 b square, and as there is rho, so we have to take rho here. So our total moment of inertia of this disc will be I total equal to pi divided by 2 r to the power 4 b into rho. So now in our given question, it is given that the value of r equal to 100 mm and b equal to 2 mm, and density of copper is also given. So by calculating, we'll get the moment of inertia will be equal to 2 gram square meter. So our moment of inertia will be I equal to 2 gram per square meter.